Man, it's a beautiful day. Where is this place? Where am I? I fucking love this place.
Number 8, Rayman. And coming in at number 7, we got my boy Tails from the Sonic franchise. Then, rolling in at number 6, we got Lightning from the Final Fantasy.
I don't know what this is, but it's kind of hot. Damn, girl.
You grew. Then, rolling in at number 6.
Hello everyone! My name is Deborah Cummings, and today I'd like to share with you one of my amazing paintings. Here, take a look.
You're fucking sick. You're nothing. You're dirt. Fuck you. Fuck you. You're fucking sick. Fucking end it all. I'm gonna shoot your dad in the mouth with a shotgun. Sawed off. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Yeah, you can do more for
This is not okay.
Okay.
Shucks, I hit my growth spurt. 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 Shucks, I hit my growth spurt.